Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. So it is cold and snowy here in West Virginia today, and I really want to make something a little bit special. I have here some of my no-knead sandwich bread, and I just have a little bit of it left. And so I wanted to make a French toast, but this is not your average ordinary French toast. I'm going to take it to another level. I'm going to make a bananas Foster French toast. Now, if you do not know what bananas Foster is, it is a classic New Orleans dessert that combines brown sugar and butter and rum. And if you've ever seen it before, they ignite it on fire and then they add the bananas, and it's just delicious. It has the caramelized bananas in it, and it is typically served over ice cream. But I'm telling you, it is amazing over French toast. And so that is what I'm going to be making for you today. Now, one of my favorite things about having this channel is just showing you all the different recipes, and especially those recipes that you may have heard of, like bananas Foster, but you just don't know how to make, and just show you how easy dishes like that are to make so that you can make them in your own home. And that's what I want to do with this today, is just show you how easy it is to make this bananas Foster. But just a quick reminder to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you want to know as soon as I upload new delicious recipes, which I'm doing every single week. Okay, so my French toast is done. Now to make the delicious banana Fosters. So I'm cutting up 2 bananas. Okay, so I have 6 tablespoons of butter, a half of a cup of brown sugar, about 2.5 tablespoons of rum. I'm going to use a half of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I'm going to top it with some chopped pecans. I'm going to add my butter to my skillet. All right, so once your butter is melted, then this really goes kind of quick. You want to add your brown sugar. And then I'm going to add my half of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'm going to add my rum. And if you want to, you can light that on fire. And that just burns off the alcohol. It's going to burn either way, so you don't have to do that. I do say if you're going to burn it, if you're going to ignite it, just be very, very careful. And then I'm just going to add my bananas. And that is pretty much it. Delicious banana Foster sauce. Okay guys, this banana Foster's French toast is so delicious. So if you want to make something a little bit special, maybe for the weekend, just give your family a nice treat, then I highly recommend this bananas Foster French toast. Oh, they're going to love it. Oh my. This French toast is amazing. That sauce is so good with the butter and the cinnamon and those bananas. And then that rum just gives it such a deep, rich flavor. I'm telling you, you're going to have to try to make this weekend. I'm just saying, you're going to want to give this one a try. But thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. You got to try this.